Hi, I'm Sarah Cook and welcome to my channel. If you are thinking about buying a home, selling a home, investing in real estate, or trying to understand mortgages without all the confusing jargon, you are in the right place. I'm a licensed real estate broker and mortgage loan officer, which gives me a unique perspective on the entire home buying process. On this channel, I share practical advice, market updates, mortgage tips, home buying strategies, and the lessons I've learned helping people navigate one of the biggest financial decisions of their lives. But this channel is about more than just real estate. I am also passionate about personal growth, success, mindset, health, and building a life you truly love. So you'll find book reviews, lessons from some of the greatest success teachers, productivity tips, and conversations about creating more happiness, confidence, and fulfillment in your everyday life. My goal is simple: to help you make better financial decisions, build wealth through real estate, and create your best life. So whether you are here to buy your first home, grow your investment portfolio, improve your finances, or simply because you want a better version of yourself, I'm glad you're here. And if you're looking for financing, I also work with Rate, one of the nation's top lending mortgage lenders. And through Rate, we can help clients with mortgage finances in almost all 50 states across the country. So if you're looking to buy or sell a home, I can help there too. Through my nationwide network, I can connect you with a trusted real estate professional in all 50 states. Someone who shares my commitment to communication, integrity, and putting clients first. If you'd like to talk about your real estate goals, whether that's buying, selling, investing, or exploring your financing options, click the link below and schedule a call with me. I'd love to learn more about your goals and see how I can help. I'm usually able to respond within 24 hours. Be sure to subscribe and let's learn, grow, build wealth, and create your best life together. I do real estate with heart, loans with purpose, and empowering your best life.